To download VLC in the Microsoft Store, follow these steps. First, ensure your device is connected to the internet and you have a Microsoft account. Open the Microsoft Store app on your Windows device. You can find it in the Start menu or by searching for it in the search bar. Once the Microsoft Store is open, click on the search icon located in the top right corner of the window. Type VLC in the search bar and press Enter. From the search results, click on the VLC Media Player app. This will take you to the app's page where you can read more about it. Check the reviews and see the system requirements. Click the Get or Install button to begin the download process. If you are not signed in to your Microsoft account, you will be prompted to sign in. Once you are signed in, the download will start automatically. Wait for the download to complete. This may take a few minutes depending on your internet connection. Once the download is complete, click the Launch button to open the VLC Media Player app. You can also find the app in the Start menu or by searching for it in the search bar. Now you can use VLC to play your favorite videos and audio files. It is important to only download apps from trusted sources like the Microsoft Store to ensure your device remains secure. Always check the system requirements before downloading an app to ensure it is compatible with your device. By following these steps, you can easily download and install VLC Media Player from the Microsoft Store.